Hi everybody! So I have your raw vegan donut cream right here in Shaky-Shake form if you so desire to have some. Oh, this is so good, you guys. I did a video on raw vegan donut cream a couple videos back, and it was a way on the most natural way of having raw vegan donut cream. It's amazing. It's just medjool dates and hemp seeds, and the reason why I did it that way was because it makes a difference when you blend hemp seeds versus when you naturally chew it. And so medjool dates and hemp seeds together, just naturally processing it in your mouth, is phenomenal. A super good way of having that donut cream or Krispy Kreme donut cream experience and have it be, you know, super extremely healthy for you too, you know. It's amazing how similar it tastes to donut cream. But I have also come up with another version. It's more of a Shaky-Shake form, and it's really good. It's really good. So if you guys want to try it, I highly recommend it. It's amazing. It is creamy and it's so good. And when you take your, okay, we'll get into it. We'll get into it, guys. Okay, everybody, so this is what I put in it. I put 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds, so 1 serving of hemp seeds, which is 3 tablespoons. And then I put, it was roughly 1/2 to 3/4 cup of coconut water. Then I put roughly, it was like 2 to 3 large medjool dates in there, and you can always add less or more depending on how sweet you like it. How sweet do you like your donut cream, people? And then I put roughly 1/2 to 1 frozen banana in there. And what I like to do with my bananas, you guys, which is so much easier, is I like to pre-chop my bananas and stick them in tubs here and put them in the freezer. Then they're perfect for smoothies that way. They tend to be much more creamier that way, I find. And when I have my bananas, I love to eat them when they are in a nice cream form. So I put that in there, and then I have a hand blender here because I didn't use my Vitamix because it's horrendous when you start blending it because it just flicks everywhere, and it's just, don't go there, don't go there. You most certainly can use the Vitamix blender if you want, but make sure you make enough, put enough ingredients in there so it doesn't flick everywhere. So, but I only make roughly about a cup here. So I do have a hand blender, and so this is my hand blender I like to use when I make smaller smoothie Shaky-Shakes here. So that is the raw vegan donut cream Shaky-Shake there, guys. And so let's do a tasty taste test. Okay guys, the tasty taste test. And you know what? It also changes, you can change up the flavor by using different types of dates also. I've done it with Zahidi dates, which is really good. And of course, medjool dates, you can never go wrong with medjool dates, you know. But that's one thing, to change up the flavor. You most certainly can just use different types of dates. And then of course, you can add some vanilla bean powder or fresh vanilla bean in there. That'll be mighty tasty. But I have done that once before, but I choose to leave it out because it's super good just the way it is, just like this here, guys. Here we go, here we go. That's like, seriously, like I'm eating the cream from a donut. This is raw vegan, low-fat raw vegan, super healthy for you, tons of vitamins and minerals in this. Come on, people. Come on, people. If you're not raw vegan, you got to get on this bandwagon, you guys. It is so delicious. My goodness. Okay, you guys, so here is another wonderful thing I love to do when I have this raw vegan donut cream Shaky-Shake is I always pick out the softest medjool dates I possibly can. They can be softer than this, but this one's actually the softest one in the pack here. And actually no, my mistake, I found a softer one. Look at that. Okay. What I like to do, oh, and this is just like, take your date and dunk it. Don't be afraid to double dip the date. It's all yours. It's okay. Oh. Wow. Holy. Mmm. 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 Absolutely amazing. Mmm. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is. Mmm. Heavenly. Wow. Out of this world. Mmm. Mmm. That is absolutely insane. Mmm. 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 Okay, you guys, so hopefully you guys try out the raw vegan donut cream Shaky-Shake form. Super heavenly delicious. And dunk it with some medjool dates. Make sure you get the softest ones possible. Experiment with different types of dates to change up the flavor. Then of course you can add different like spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, and change up the flavor. You most certainly can add less coconut water to make it even more thicker, or you can add more coconut water to make it more of a liquid, more liquidy if you want. It's all up to you guys, however you guys like it, whatever tickles you pink, right? Whatever floats your little darn boat, right? Okay guys, so remember to love being raw, put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you guys, and I'll see you guys next video, okay?